Usually, many video marketers and product owners love using whiteboard animation softwares to create their videos simply because the videos are so effective at communicating important information. In this video, I will be introducing you to a new whiteboard animation software that you can start using to create attention-grabbing videos, and we are starting right now. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to a new whiteboard animation software called Doodleoze. If you have been following some of the videos on this channel, you must have noticed that just 3 months ago I thought VideoScribe was the best animation software, but today I'm having doubts about that, and for one major reason: the price. The truth is that most of these animation softwares are actually easy to use and they help create animation grabbing videos, which has gradually shifted the competition to the pricing of the software. So I'm going to show you the pricing differences of some of the most popular video animation tools, so you see which one is less expensive but still very effective, which in my opinion is the Doodleoze video maker, but you don't have to take my word for it. After that, I'll quickly show you the basics on how the Doodleoze tool works. But before we get into all that, I would like to know below this video if you've ever used an animation software before, and if you have, which animation software have you been using and why? Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you are interested in videos and making money online, then you might want to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now, when it comes to the best whiteboard animation software, there are 3 main things that you have to look out for. First, you have to check out if the software does what it says it does. You have to check if the videos that are made with these softwares actually captures people's attention. Secondly, you want to check if the tool has a high learning curve. That means, is the tool easy to use? Does it have a simple interface that will help beginners quickly get up and running with the tool? And the third factor that counts when deciding on the best whiteboard animation software is the price. Now let's use these 3 factors to compare some of the most popular animation softwares with the Doodleoze tool, which we'll be talking a little bit more about in a second. Let's start with the most popular one, VideoScribe. Here is an example of a video clip made with VideoScribe. Now, as you can see, the tool does what it says it does, which is using these hand drawings to create attention-grabbing videos. The VideoScribe interface is also easy to use. All you have to do is open a template and start adding in images and text by clicking any of these options here. So anyone can pick up this tool today and start creating videos within just minutes of using it. However, when it comes to the price of VideoScribe, as you can see here, they have a free trial, after which you start paying $25 every month if you are using the monthly plan, and a one-off payment of over $500. Moving on now to Doodly, which is also a very popular video animation tool online. Doodly, just like VideoScribe, does what it says it can do. The interface is also simple to use for beginners. Simply click on create new video and you're already on your way creating an attention-grabbing video. Now, when it comes to the price, Doodly is much more expensive than VideoScribe, with $39 a month as compared to VideoScribe $25 a month. Now, there is a new tool around that will help you create the same type of attention-grabbing videos, and the interface of the tool is also easy as VideoScribe and Doodly. But when it comes to the price, Doodleoze is cheaper than VideoScribe and Doodly. Now, as you can see, the Doodleoze whiteboard animation tool still has a special limited early adopter price of $29 a year. Now, that is ridiculously cheap for such a tool. So if you have been looking for a whiteboard animation tool and you are on a budget, you might want to check this tool out. Here is a demo clip on how the Doodleoze tool works.
Now, I'm sure you're wondering how easy such an amazing doodle video is to create. So let's jump right in. Here we are inside the Doodleoze platform, which is a desktop software available for both PC and Mac. The first thing you'll notice is how easily laid out Doodleoze is. Okay, let me show you how quick and easy you can make a great doodle animation video. First, if we take a look here, we can add multiple objects onto the canvas, like background music or voiceover, videos, images, and text. We'll start by adding a video to the background, like this. Any video added to the scene has a sketch by hand animation effect attached by default. So in this window here, we have some options for this sketch effect, but we'll leave it as default and continue. Next, we need to scale the video full screen size, like this. Okay, good. Now, if we take a look here, we can see the sketch animation added to the video. And we can adjust the animation playtime, replace it, remove it, or add a new animation. Okay, let's jump further. Next, we'll click this button to open our sketch image gallery. Then, we'll select an image. Once it's loaded, we're able to drag the image around and edit it as we want. Now, let's go back to the timeline here and move the newly added image so it starts playing after the video sketch animation is finished. Now, let's make it a bit more interesting by adding extra animation. Like this. Click here, then zoom and drag like this. Then add a new point and reposition it here, like this. And if you want, you can continue adding as many points as you like and move it around the screen, like this. Okay, I'm going to undo that for now. 2 points are enough for this demo. So next we'll add a new sketch image, reposition it on the canvas, add a fly-in by hand animation to it, and move it on the timeline. Next we'll add another image, and repeat the steps above. Okay, let's add a quick text here. Good. Now we can drag it around and easily edit the text here on the right side. We can edit everything, from font, text size, color, and more. And on the timeline, we can easily add an animation. We'll use a sketch by hand, like this. The timeline makes it easy to set the exact time you want each animation of this video to be displayed for. And finally, to make it even better, let's add some great background music, like this. Alright, let's take a look at what we just created together. And voila, you can see the video we just made together in this demo. There's no doubt that doodle animation videos are the #1 choice of digital marketers. And with Doodleoze, you'll be able to create amazing doodle videos in minutes, just like the ones we've made in this demo. As you just saw, Doodleoze has eliminated the guesswork, the cost, and is taking the creation of doodle video to the next level.
Now, in my opinion, when it comes to the best whiteboard animation software, I think the best will depend on individual preferences. And with all that, I'll call this video a wrap. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.